Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to delete browsing data from the Samsung Internet Browser. Whether you want to clear your browsing history, cookies or cache, this guide will walk you through the steps. Open the Samsung Internet Browser on your phone. Tap the menu button in the bottom right corner, then click on Icon Settings. Scroll down and tap Personal Browsing Data. Choose Delete Browsing Data. Select the data you want to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, cached files, or saved passwords. Tap Delete Data, then confirm the action. That's how you can easily delete browsing data on Samsung Internet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.